ImbueDesk is excited to invite you all to be part of IIIP ImbueDesk International Internship Program. We will help you master your basics, build real-time projects, and make you gain experience to work with us part-time and full-time. Be part of our revolutionary platform to work with us on our open-source projects and gain international experience. On completion of this course, you are given an assignment to finish. Those who finish the assignment are awarded with project-based work experience certification and lot other benefits. We will train you on latest technologies. We will make you a professional in your chosen technology. We will make you gain experience in your chosen technology by making you build 20+ real-time projects during our IIIP Level 2, Level 3 courses. To know more about IIIP, you can always contact ImbueDesk team as mentioned.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Dhyani. I am a developer at ImbueDesk and we are coming up with the International Internship Program. We will teach you how to contribute to open source, how open source works. But before that, I will be introducing you to Git, version control system, GitHub, how to make a profile on it, some basics of Python before we move on to the machine learning part. In machine learning part, we will be going through some big tech companies, how they work, how Google AlphaGo works, and there's a detailed schedule for it, how companies like Netflix, Facebook, PayPal uses recommendation system that uses machine learning, deep learning, and after that we will be moving to our project section where I will teach you a real-time animation project in which we morph our facial activity to anyone's photograph. And on the third day in the demo workshop, I will be going through stock price prediction, and in that I will be going through whole code and you will be coding along with me. And today I will be teaching you how to install Git and GitHub. Before entering into the open source, on the Google, type download Git for Windows or Ubuntu, whatever you are using. So I will select this Windows and go to here download, and according to the version that suits yourself, click on it. When you will download, install it, and when it will ask to add in path, click yes. After that, you will see, just go to the search bar and type git, and there will be these application. Now what is this? This is a git bash. Basically all your git commands will be run through it, and you can clone a repository through it, you can fork some repos, and you can add files, commit, make branch, everything by this. But we will not be using this. We will be using our CMD, that's Windows terminal. And since we have added a path to the git bash, so we will be using this. Okay, so open another tab, make sure to make a GitHub account here. So what it is, GitHub is that here you paste all of your codes, and many open source project works here, like there are open source and you can contribute to it, you can take information through it, you can take help of it and make your own code. So make sure to make your account. Okay, so after these two steps, when you will be logged to your GitHub account like this, so go to the repositories and create a new repository by clicking new, and name it like demo workshop. Now you can make it private so it will be only visible to you, or you can make it public so it can be visible to anyone. You can add a description, you can add a readme file. What the readme file does is that you can put your description of the project over here. So create repository, and this will be stored in cloud, in GitHub's cloud. So in order to download it into your own PC, just go over here, copy this link and go to your terminal, then go to whatever directory that you want to go, like downloads, and git clone. This command is used to clone repository. What cloning means is that from internet it will be cloned into your own PC. Paste it. So I have pasted it. So this will download this, like whatever this readme file. Right now it's only readme file, but when it will download, as you can see, it is cloning to my PC, like it is downloaded. Make sure to change the directory, like cd, and that folder name would be demo workshop. So demo workshop, and you can also see it on your download folder. Like I have downloaded in my download folder. There it is. Like there is a folder created over here, and you can create your project over here. Suppose like you have created a file main.py. It's a Python file. You can create whatever file that you want, change it, and right now I will just code hello world over it so that you can see how GitHub and Git works. Like I just wrote print hello world. Okay, save it, cancel it, go to the terminal and type git status. So what it will tell us that in the main.py file, here it is not here, like main.py is not here, but you have created on your own repository, like you have created it here. Like now you want to push this to the cloud. So how you will push this is you will git add dot. Here dot means that all the files you can add via git. Okay, so git add, and then you can type again git status. Now it will be green. So what it means that now this file is ready to push. So not what you will do now, you will type git commit added new file, close it, and after it git push. What it will do that it will shift this file, whatever directory you have changed over here, it will shift to the cloud repository what you have created in your GitHub account. Like it is telling me that it has shifted, right? So when we go over here and reload this page, as we can see our main.py file is there. Okay, so what we have learned today is that how to install Git, how to make an account on GitHub, what are the commands to download a file, what are the commands to make changes in it, and what are the commands to upload it. So I'm once again showing it from the very starting. Git clone in order to clone this repo. After that, changing into the directory, git status, whatever you have created over here. Then git add. Git add means that whatever you have changed, it should be added on your temporary area and it will be shifted over here. Then git status in order to check that it will be changed. So it's green, before it was red and now it is green. After that, git commit and git push. And the reason I am telling you all this is that you can go over here, like suppose you wanted to contribute to a Flutter project that is open source, and you go to the GitHub account of it and you go to Flutter projects and you clone it, make some changes and push to it so that you can contribute to big developers like Google and all. So this was a very basic thing that you needed to know in order to learn machine learning and all. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, and the next tutorial I will be teaching you Python basics, and after that I will be making some projects in machine learning and deep learning. Thank you.